And this is the number 9. Remember this place? Yeah. What was the seed again? Yeah. Oh yeah, the floating island. It has all the oars. Yeah. That's so crazy. Look, glitch. All that gravel just been hold it up. It's glitch. This seed, if you didn't do it, you're doing it. It was 1406069825. Let's just go off this. I know that was pretty short because we did that one. That was number 1, amazing. Yeah, crazy number 1. So I'm gonna do finally 162858675 Is this the crazy world or no? I'm not sure if this is the crazy world. Oh yeah, so that's the first. Yeah, you heard me. First, right? That's the first village. I know you heard me. I said first. Yes, there's 3 obsidian, 7 iron, 1 golden helmet, 1 apple, and 2 pieces of bread. Yeah. And yeah. And that's just the first village. Because if you go with, look, and that is rare. It's in a sand biome, but it's wood. So that's really rare. No, that's physically not possible. Unless you have the seed, of course. Because that's possible, because it's just happened. Oh yeah, got something. Bam! There we go. Lava. Look, our next village. Ooh, that is quite cool though. Look at that. That's our next village. See? Just a couple of blocks away. Let's go into this. Wait, what? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Wow. Whoa, that's quick mining. Now imagine you just had like a mining pickaxe that could just do this. Or this. I just mined out the world. Because you just had a pickaxe, right? You could just fly up and just do that and just mine everything. Woo! Yeah! So that's the second village, and also there's a sand temple. It's like, that is rare. This is like, you should totally check it out. And then right next to that temple is another village. What? What? That's weird. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Wait, what? Oh, cool. Okay, and you know I like kabooms. On the count of 3, on the count of 2, on the count of 1. Let me just get on this. On the count of 1. Yay! You probably should do that. Could do that at home, not in real life, of course. Yeah. Okay, so let's go here. Let's check out this another village. Yeah. And one of these. Look at that. It's cool. And if you go over And there's another one of these. Luckily, let's get, there we go. 3 pieces of obsidian, 7 pieces of bread, 5 pieces of iron, 2 apples, and 1 piece and 1 gold. Yeah, that's pretty valuable stuff. Yeah. Is that? And then we got a little well just over there. Everything you're seeing in here will be included in your world. But if you go over to this well, dig down. And if you dig down in the well, all down, I'm gonna do it. Gonna do it. Whoa! And you should have yourself your own very mine shaft. That is huge. You cannot find it in other places. You can only find it. You can only find this type. And that is that well. There's also iron. If you go down a bit. Oh, those are some gold. Yeah, there is gold in here. You shall see, and you shall see the ultimate lever. Guess what this ultimate lever does? It's absolutely nothing. I don't know why I placed it there. And that seeds to get 3 is 1, 6, 2, 8, 5, 8, 6, 7, 9, 8, 5, 9. I mean, so I'll just say that again. 1, 6, 2, 8, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 9. Just in case you put something else down and then it wouldn't come up. So I was trying to. Oh my ear. And then number 2, we're gonna go to the minuses, probably. So this is 1, 4. This is one of my favourites. That's what I got in the minuses. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 0, 8, 1, 0, 6, 5, 2, 6. Let's go on. Okay, so you should spawn exactly on that tree. But look at this. That's not it. Yeah, floating block. That is so sick. Look at that amazing floating block. No! Yeah, just kidding. So, there's a village right here. Not that interesting. This is, if you go down here, that is submerged into... Look at that. That's right there. There's like cave systems. All the way down here, there's like a secret place. You can, and there's a lot of flat ground here. Yeah. Just then you can explore down over here. Oh, I've seen this biome. That's one of my favorite biomes. Where is it? Oh yeah, that's coarse dirt. I was like thinking to myself, where does coarse dirt spawn? And I just found out where coarse dirt spawns, by mountains. And look, I love these biomes. Look at that awesome waterfall. Vibrate. Oh. So that is, oh yeah, I already showed you at the start. 1408106526. And you are welcome to pause the video and subscribe, leave a like and slap the bell so you always get notified when I upload a video, because YouTube's broken, and when you go on the you know, as when you go on, when you slap the subscribe, it won't notify, so you have to slap the bell. And this one you can copy. It's Candy Crush Saga. So CANDY is all singles. CRUSHSAGA. Candy Crush Saga. Yeah. And so it's a normal world, and everyone's happy because they can break blocks, plus they can mine. And then Notch comes along and ruins their life. Yeah. Candy Crush, Notch ruins their life. From a happy yeah. Well, the flip is this sorcery. There's massive overhangs. Floating island. Floating islands! You're probably like, that's not a floating island. Yes, it is. When it's done, I'll show it's a floating island. The map hasn't fully folded in yet, so I'm just gonna give it some time. See, it's a floating island. Oh. Okay, it might not be a floating island, but that is a cool overhang. And okay. And now that is a floating island, though. But this biome is just so annoying because look, it's Candy Crush. Notch ruins the life of others. Naughty. And then Mojang does it as well. See, look. It's so horrible. But when you're over here, like, sun, yay! Look at that, look. I'm not going over there. Prefer over here, thank you very much. Not ruin my life. How big is this tree? Okay then. Bam. Yay! And that seed is 792444040. Yeah. Okay. Put my headphones on. I'm gonna put my headphones on. There we go. Yo, bye bye, bye 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 bye. And goodbye and good riddance, YouTube. Actually, no, it's not good. It's good. Yeah, that's cool. Bam. Small. Big. Small.